Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, and welcome back in today's class. So yesterday, what we discussed about our email notification, that how we can set up the properties, where we can set up the properties, where we can see the accounts, and we notice that if someone send an email to a given address, how this has been treated. Now we will see. Let me open that my Gmail here. Okay. This one, not this one, sorry. Did I delete it or what? Where did it? This one like this. Okay. So today we are going to be see that when I receive any email, how these things has been getting here. Like image is there, text is there, from where these things are be coming. Okay, and how ServiceNow say I have to be sent the notification now. So let's come here and we search for the emails. Okay, under email we have an option called the email notification. Sorry, it's a notification. Come here under this. Here, notifications. Click here. When you click, when you open this particular table that is called a sys event underscore email underscore action table, you will able to see approximately 200 plus notification given by ServiceNow out of the box. Again, because ServiceNow say, I know you are going to be using notification. Why you are creating your own notification? I'm giving you and you can use that very easily. Nothing to be worried on that part. You can just use it. Don't worry. If you want to make any modification, you can still make it. Not an issue. So now we are going to be configure that how this will be appear, how we can, and important point is that it is a configuration. It is not a customization, it is a configuration. Because you are just configuring something. You're not making any changes. What is the meaning of, let's say, what is the difference between configuration versus customization? Configuration says you are using the system or you are making the change in the system only in some kind of a data, some kind of a minor changes. In short, in the configuration, you are not changing the system way of working. Like if I purchase a flat from a builder and I'm just making some changes that where to set my cupboard, where to set my drawer, where to set my dressing table, where to set my bed, you're doing the configuration. Because builder know that you are just making changes to for your flat, for your furniture only. But if you purchase the flat from the builder and you say, no, it is a 2 bedroom, I need one more bedroom there. And then you do a big renovation, then it becomes customization. Because you're changing the behavior, you're enabling something new. in the house which does not exist earlier, or it exists but not fulfilling your requirement completely. Then it called the customization. These two words are very huge word in the industry as of now. Okay. So now let's come here. Click on the new and create a new notification. What is important here to be note? Three things. When to send, who will receive, what it will contain. When to send means at what point email should go out. Again, remember the same example. Until unless you will not click on the buy now and you will not order the product, you will not receive email from Amazon or Flipkart that your order has been placed. So that is there should be some trigger condition. There should be some trigger condition. Who will receive is the recipient. That to whom the email will be go out. And again, you can do 1%, 2%, any person. You can send it. And at last, what it will contain is basically your email content, email body we will be talking here. Okay. So in short, it is all configuration we are doing here. Now, a email basically work on a table level. So few things are going to be changed now, guys, and you have to be very clear on that part. When I say email configuration work on the table level, it means on a single table, I can create multiple email. On a single address, you can take order, you can get order from the food deliveries. You can get order or you can get delivered the order on the grocery, gifts, online shopping, offline shopping. But your address is same. But the work you're doing or the things you're doing is little different. So it is not like that Atul, only one table, one notification. No, on a single table, you can have n number of notification that depends that when it should go out, to whom it should go out, what it should contain. Okay, so let's start here. Let's put a name here. Learn Grow. Where I want to make this config, this email. I said when anyone send any email and when anyone is creating any incident, then this particular email will go out. So let me put the here table is email. Sorry, table is incident. So you can incident, you can change, you can problem, anything you can put. So here it is required that you should remember the table name correctly. You should know the table name where I have to be configured it. Okay. The third part say category. Now let's say example. Okay. In your letterbox, in your house, there's a letterbox, right? In your letterbox, you get a lot of letters. Some are good, some are bad, like promotion emails, or maybe I can say promotion coupon cards kind of thing. Someone came and put in my letterbox. So that is called the category. There is a relationship between this category and this part in the preferences here, specifically this area. Read about this, that how these two are interrelated. How these two are interrelated. The category I'm showing here and the category I'm showing here has a relevance. Has a relevance. Read about this is important topic to read. It is good topic to read. It is important topic to read. Read about this. That how the category I'm mentioning on the email notification or email form is relevant to this category. This is for the end user, or this is for not from the end user. This is for the users. Okay. So please identify that part. What is the similarity between these two? Maybe remember this question I will put at the last, that who is going to be put the question in the chat today. Then application, as I say that we are working in a global domain as of now. Application is global, active to allowed digest. I don't understand what is this. Mean it's true and false. But what it will do, I have no idea. What else will it contain? Again, some kind of a template body or something. What mainly we use is these three options. Let me come back here. Everybody clear till this point? Any doubt? Any question? Yes, guys. Any doubt? Any question? All clear till the time what I told you. It's all clear to you, right? Say yes or no. Clear, not clear, understood, or need some?
Yes, yes, clear.
Good. Now let me come back here. When to send? When to call a fire brigade? Atul, when there is a fire, then we have to be called fire brigade. When to call police? Atul, when we have something happen wrong, maybe some theft or some robbery kind of thing happen, then we should call police. Okay. Now the question come in service. Now there are two things we use. Okay. What it says basically is called when to send. Sorry, three things. When any record inserted or updated. Number one, we will discuss now. Any event is fired. Means when so like what we have in our house here, if there's a smoke in the house, the smoke alarm ring. Until unless you will not put the smoke near to that alarm, it will not ring. It means some event is firing. Something is firing in the background. Only then these things will be work. And trigger. It's like just now. Okay, send it. Send it now only. Mainly we use in our practice, in our day-to-day life, we use these two options. Update or insert. Now the question comes. What is the difference between insert and update? Anyone has any idea? What
If
is
there is,
sorry, go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
if let's say we have a record and we are just updating it, made a change and we are just updating it, that is an update. If we do not have, we are creating a new record, that's inserting a record.
Okay, so it means if I create a record and I fill some data and I'm putting it as a save, it means I'm creating the record. And once that record has been created, I'm just updating the information there. is called the update. So ServiceNow say, boss, how I will understand that when I have to be sent this particular email notification. So you can put update or you can put insert. Let I show you the insert part first. Insert. Any specific condition you want. I want this email should go out when the username starts with Khushbu. When the user has a user ID called contain batch 8. When a user has a specific location called US or UK or North America. So you can put the conditions here as per requirement. This is a homework for another homework for you guys. So we'll discuss this. Okay. Now, who will receive? Who should receive this email? Now, if Khushbu is doing an order from Amazon, then definitely Khushbu want to get the email, not his husband. If Priya is doing an order, Priya is putting something, then she want that the communication should go to me only. Like the birthday surprises, order a cake online. You put the represent number, the person whose birthday is there, you put his number and you told or you mentioned in the remarks that don't call this number until it is required. In case any information required, reach out to me. So here says to whom you have to be sent. Now, if I open the form here like this, now if I'm creating an incident, I want the email should go to whom? Should go to caller. Should go to assign to. Should go to assignment group. It's my wish to whom I want to be send it. So what I will do, I'll go here and click on this icon. Which user you want? Do you want to specify do you want to put a specific username? I said okay, if any incident has been created, the email should go to Khushbu Sharma. Either it is relevant or not. But let's take example. In your offices, when you apply for a leave, what happened? The email triggered to your manager and you. Now the question comes, Atul, in my company there's 1,000 employees. So do we have to mention 1,000 name? No. That's not no. Then so let me do one thing. You can do some hard coding as well. In that case, what you have to do? You have to click on this. It's saying user or group field. Unlock. And it show you the field which is what I can say on the incident form. Why incident? Because we have working on the incident. We are working or configuring the notification on the incident table. I want email should go to the caller. Okay, boss. I want email should go to the assigned to. Okay. I want email should go to the assignment group. Okay. Now, in this case, the person name is here. Either it's Khushbu, Priya, Atul, Saba, MJ, anybody. That person will receive the email when any record has been created. Same thing go for the group. I want if any incident is created, please send that message into the my family group. So you can define the groups as well. Now the last point. What it will contain means the email body we are talking here now. That what it should contain, like email body I'm speaking here. Whenever you order anything online, you get a message in the subject line, order number X or Y or Z has been ready, has been booked, has been dispatched. It means for every trigger, for every when condition, you can have multiple, or I can say the different subjects. So it means now if I want, when the order has been dispatched, then this information or this email should go out. Let's say when the order has been delivered to you, what email you get? Subject is like the body will be like, hi, maybe it's the name of the user who placed their order. We are happy to inform that your order has been dispatched to you, or maybe is delivered to you. Please share the feedback. But when you place the order, what email you get? Hello XYZ or the name. We're happy to inform that your order has been booked. It will be delivered in the next 2 or 3 days. The record is on the same table, but the contents are the different. It means when you're working in your practical life, when you're working in the PD for the practice, one table can have a multiple notifications. There's a no way that I can club 2 notification. No, you cannot club. Clear everybody till this point. Any doubt, any question? Khushbu, MJ, Priya, Akanksha,
Can you
Olu.
repeat the last thing?
Okay, so I'm saying that on a single table there can be multiple multiple notifications. So like I'm creating it, like say I say create incident. It means I'm mentioning a meaningful name here, that this email indicate that whenever any new incident has been created, this email should go. When anyone update the incident, when anyone says, okay, I'm closing it, then the email notification should go. Hello, Mr. XYZ. We are happy and we are pleasure to inform that your incident has been marked closed. Please share the feedback. So two different content. If you say, Atul, can I have a big content or the more than one content in a same email body? Not possible. Not possible. You cannot send a card which is for the death anniversary and say, hey guys, you are most invited at the marriage, because these are the two separate events. The table is same. The table is function at my home, but the subject, the email contents are totally different. So now let's put the subject here. Welcome in world of LNG. And I want the incident number, Atul, because we're creating this notification for the incident. So in the subject, like if you see, sorry, in the subject, how it's showing incident number. Atul, I want to be sure the incident number. So what you can do, this is called the parameters dollar, and copy this number and put it here. Maybe someone say, Atul, what is this? You mean that we have to be copy like this? Come on. There are some other ways as well. So let me come to the body. Hello. What hello? I'm saying who is raising this incident should become his name. Hello, and then go to the field. I say I want to show the caller. Okay, search for the caller here. This one. Caller, what caller? Because caller is coming from the user table. I want to put caller first name. Or maybe this one. Like this. Hello, X, Y, or Z. Or let me put like this. Okay. Then welcome in my world of LNG. What do you want to show? I want to show Atul gender. Okay. Let me minimize this so that I can show you more fields. I want to show the category. Okay. No problem. Let's go. I want to show the channel. Okay. Put like this. Now I want to show the created by. I want to show the description. Atul, I'm not happy. I want to show something more. Can I have a picture? Let's insert a picture as well. What picture? Let me find out. Deep like this. And save this. And now let's say I'm ready with my content. Submit. Now, if I create any incident, this email notification also go out. Atul, why you are saying also? Because did you notice that this email also going out from the service now? It means on a single table, as I say, on a single table, I have a multiple notification configured. Maybe on the same condition. Because this is out of the box. Let create one incident now. Let me reload this page and create one incident. Khushbu, just open your what I can say mail as well, because I put it your name for the one extra mail. Caller, let me put my name. Learn and go so that I can show you the email. Okay. Short description. Hello. And description. This. Let me click on the save here. It means I am inserting the record here, not updating, only inserting. Let come here and see is any email is coming in my mailbox or not. Number 1013. And let's see here. Go to the emails. So notification. What's the name of our notification is called? This one. To whom it should go? It should go to the Khushbu. It will go to the caller ID assigned to assignment group. No worries. So now you can see, guys. Email is there. But I'm getting the two emails. See. Why? One email, which is service now give me out of the box. And this is the email which I created. See, Atul number is not appearing. It means something wrong in our notification. Open it. Number is not appearing. Let's see where is the number. Here. It is like that. Okay. So I put the wrong thing. It is like that only. Control X. Now, if I create another incident, then it will take the number as well. The rest thing we can see. So to whom it is going? It is going to Khushbu and to me. Why it is not going to the assignment group or assigned to? Because in this incident, there's nothing has been mentioned here. If you did not mention the address, how the system will know that to whom it should be delivered? Then if you come down, this is what we mentioned. Hello, caller first name, Mr. Learn. Welcome in my world. Caller ID, caller gender is showing blank. Because in the user table, I did not put the value for the gender. Category input help. Input and help. Channel is none. It's showing nothing here. Scroll down. Image is also there. And at last, this thing is there. Now the question comes. What I can say here. Now, whenever you invite, let's say some people has a good habit. If you're sending anyone a SMS, there's a concept called, or in the email, there's a concept called the signature. Which means that every time if I send a big mail, either it's a 2-word mail, it's a 1-word mail, approved, okay, looks good, the signature should become automatically. In our ServiceNow concept, we are calling these things. So see, these are coming in every mail. We are going to be discuss that from where this is becoming now. Let go back here. In the email part, you can define the scripting as well. That is, we can say email script as well. We can write it. What it will contain, and it is showing a template. So like template means whenever you are receiving a mail, some things, some standards are prefixed, like branding. So like you can see here. In my email, there's nothing coming like that image which is coming in the yesterday part. If I show you this one, see, wow, the lids look nice. Some image is there, some a good context is there, button is there. So what we're doing, we are either it is coming from the email or you can check on the template part. So in my email, what we defined in our email, what we defined, if you open this word is coming from the template. How this work, you have to find out. There is a relationship between these two and this and this. There is a relationship. Try to do some hands-on today. Create 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 email notification. Check on this button, click on this button, what is happening. Then you will come to the practical part. Now, Atul, I don't want it should having this thing, unsubscriber notification. I want my name should become there. In every email at the last, my name should become. So what you can do, you can create or you can use the template here, this one. So there are a few templates given by ServiceNow to us on the magnify glass. You can create your own template as well, no problem. So like these many are given by ServiceNow, 5 or 7. I want like this meeting invitation. Let save this. Let's see, now we will send an email. Let's see what happened. We'll create one incident here again. Create one more incident and put my email ID so that I can show you. Okay, let's change it to the hardware. Let's put the assignment group as well. Batch 8 LNG. Any person is there in the group? Yes. Put maybe Anna. Save. Now let's come back here and see the email notification. Now maybe Khushbu, you also can check. Are you getting email? And in the next incident, that is 131, Anna, you also can check. You also get one email. So now you can see. Now see, the number is also appearing fine. And to whom the email go out? Oh my God, that's a lot of people. How? Because in our email, in our configuration, we say email should go to the assignment group. And what assignment group we put? We put this. So all the users of this assignment group will get a email like this. Like this. Khushbu, Ugo, Priya, Omiko, Ziza, EB, Anna, everybody will receive that email. You guys can check. Maybe anyone can reply back to that email. Let's see. We done changes in the template part. See, we done the changes in the template. It is not appearing here. Maybe it is not working properly. The reason can be because we're on the incident table and we're sending a meeting invite.
Yeah, the email entered.
Coming, right? Good. Now, if I come to here, when to send. Oh. Oh. Now, if you click on the update, if anyone update this incident, then also this email will go out. Then also the same email will be go out. So it is you as a consultant need to be decide that this email should go out on the creation part or on the insertion part. Sorry, update part or the inserting part. Why you want to be sent? Let's say if I go here and it is just add one more word here, another one incident. Why you want to send an email to the customer saying hello Mr. XYZ, the incident has been created. It was already created. Now you are updating this. So it's up to you how you want to be use it for insertion and for the update. Let me come here for a minute. Who can take? Ugo.
Yeah.
Okay. So note down today's question. Number one question. Create 5 or 7 email notification on a different table. On a different table, maybe 2 on incident, 1 on problem, 1 on change, like this. Okay. Under that, create in the when to send, create 2 or 3 notification on the insertion part, on the update part. Okay, that is second part you have to be do.
The second one is what?
Sorry?
You said the second one creates what?
Create 5 or 7 email notification. Okay. And then under that, out of 5 or 7, create notification, few for insert, few for update. Okay. In this, yes.
Insert.
Sorry, Ugo, I'm missing something here. You're asking something, Ugo.
Yeah, the second one, he said create notification
Yes.
free.
Create notification on the different table. Number one, in the different table, try to put something on the update, something on the insert record. Put some conditions here, guys. Try to put some condition. If the short description, I want that this email should go, if the short description start with the word called LNG. It's up to you. It's you have to be do the practice now. Put the different conditions to see that when this email should go out, when this email should not go out. And then important point is that need to be understand that how the category and how the preferences are interrelated. These two are interrelated. Tomorrow is Friday. You have a test tomorrow.
I missed it. I missed the question.
Okay. The question is that you have to be understand how the category field and the notification preferences are interrelated. Okay. Tomorrow you have test, right? Remember. So get ready for the test. Now, what we are going to be next here? Let's say event is fired. Another important point.
Can I ask you a question?
Definitely go ahead.
So in what it will contain, how do we know there are templates, right?
Yes.
Before creating anything new, any new incident, how can we know, how can we see what is in this template?
Nice.
How it will, yeah. So how it will, yeah,
Do
show
one thing. You have two
like a
options.
preview.
Preview. Fine, fine. That's fine. So number one, how? Okay, very nice question, Priya. You put it here. Okay. Let's
Khushbu.
say you configure this particular email now. Okay. And you want to see that how it will be look like to the user. Click on the preview notification. It will be look like this. Subject will be like this and body will be like this. So without sending the actual email, you can check the preview as well. Now the question come, Atul, how I can see about the template preview. This is the email preview, right? I want to see the template preview. So what you can do, because in ServiceNow everything stored in the table. Click on this eye icon here. It will open another window and it says it starts from the sys event sys email template. This is the what I can say table name where all the template has been stored. Let me show you the more templates here. Wait, just go like open like this. So these are the templates available here. What template you want to see? We want to see the preferences template, which is the default one we are using. 64. Let me put it search here. This one. Open this. You can create your own template as well. Nothing to be worried. You can create. This is what I'm saying now, guys. Don't just think that what Atul is saying is enough in the service now. No. Let's create our own template. that what a template subject should contain, what the email body it should contain, what the SMS if I'm sending what it should contain. So you can create your own templates as well. Let's try to do something here. Create new. LNG template.
Are you saying is the template is all about how you want your message or your text to look like?
A predefined text look
Yeah,
like.
each time you send a notification, that's
Yes.
how it always come out, right?
Correct. So every time if you send anyone any email, the signature come automatically, right? This is what we will be talking here. Then in the template we have the layout. Atul, so confusing. That's wrong, Atul. Let's see what layout it's showing. How it will be look like. Let me open. Let me say it should be look like a demo layout. Let's say what it's I have no idea. Table, on which table you want to implement, or you can put the none as well, so that it should be applicable for all tables. I can say none. If I'm using a template, what the subject should be appear? Ha 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 ha. What the email body should contain? There's a no field because I don't put in the, I'm not creating this template for a specific table, so no fields are there. I said like this. And now click on the submit. Now go to our notification. Change it to LNG template. Save it. Because now we're sending this email notification for the update as well. So let's go and make it just update here. Anything I'm changing is it's just a simple update, right? Let's save it. Go back. Or maybe you can just come here and click on the preview notification. So it will be appearing like this now because we are using demo layout like this. See subject line also. Now the one thing is that if I am putting any subject line here, this will override the subject line which I'm putting in the template. Let's say, did I receive any email? Only one incident has been created, not the one which we are be waiting for actually. Not this one has been done till now. We save it, right? Insert update, that's fine. Incident. Yeah. It should go out actually. This email should go out. Okay, why it is not going now thing. See, because we put a condition that short description contain LNG. Let's change the short description here. See how these conditions work actually. Click on the save. And now we'll get an email. Why it's taking so much time? Let's come back in the meantime. So short description start with LNG that we have done. So now in our incident, we have a start with LNG only short description. And we are waiting for the email should be go out. So now you can see the email is coming to us. And now the header is changed because We are using our own template. We are not using subscribe, unsubscribe templates. But in that template, it is appearing like this. Subject has been overwritten by my notification. If I remove this and save this and go back here and update this. Click on the save. Now let's see what type of this thing, what I can say, subject it will contain. See, it is coming the subject ha 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 ha. Why? Because now in my notification I did not put the subject. I said everything should be come from the template itself. So this is the benefit I'm saying here, guys. Clear everyone till this point? Kumar, Khushbu, Ugo, Kanksha, Anna, Omiko, MJ, Priya and Olu. Any doubt, any question, guys? Tell me any doubt, question, clarification. Yes or no?
No.
No reply. That's not good.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear you now.
Yeah. So I said no
Oh,
twice.
okay, good. Thanks. Thanks for confirmation. Okay. Now we are discussing about the last option here is called the trigger. Trigger says, as I say, until unless there is a no smoke in the house, no fire alarm will be ring up. Means something need to happen where human intervention is not required. See, in the record insert or update, until unless you will go in the system and create, it will not send. But what this says, event is fired. Now let's say there's a in your official in your offices, there's a training has been assigned to you. As a new joiner, you have to be complete some training. You get an email on the day of joining. You did not take the action. After 5 days, you get an email. Gentle reminder. Please complete the training. You still ignored. After 10 days, you get an email, and in that email, your manager is in CC. Miss Priya or Khushbu or MJ did not complete the training. They have to be complete the training, otherwise the ID will be blocked. Now, in this case, neither your manager or neither you log in into the system and make and tell system please send an email. In this point of time, the system you'll be using, they have a background logic they have logic in the background. What it say, it go into the user system and check what is the date of joining. If date of joining and the current date, the difference is more than 5 days, it will send a reminder. After 10 days, it will send another reminder. After 15 days, it will send another reminder. These are called the events, which is predefined, which is system generated. If this happen, only then this thing will be there. No human intervention required in these actually. That is it is called the event. Right? So when you say event is fired, there's a lot of event given by service now. Oh my God, Atul, it's too complicated. See, a lot of events are there. Now the question comes when to use event and when to use the record insert update. When you want that system should understand and send an email, then use the events. Where you want a human being need to be enter something, then use the record insert or update option. Let's see, is there anything for the incident? Incident assigned to group. Not sure that what is the incident commented. Let's say incident commented. Commented means if someone commented on the incident here or here, then this email should go out. Then this email should be go out. Now the Khushbu have the same question. Atul, where we can go and see that this particular, what is mentioned this particular event. What we can do, we can see here the events here. Events in the notification. Do we have something? I guess this is the event, or maybe I have no complete idea here, but we can check. Because now I'm saying like we have a templates. Now we have a events as well. No, it is not the event which we're looking for. We're looking for like this. Where I can go system policies. No, search event. Maybe let's check for the email only. Do we have anything on the email under email? Email template diagnosis. No. This is coming from other table. Let me see which table it is. Table in this now email notification. Yeah. Your email notification on the approval using this. See which table it is. Maybe someone mentioned in the community. No, it's not for us. Again, not for us. Okay, give me this action. I'll check that which table it is. The event one. But it has a predefined code. So let's remove this. I said email should go out when someone commented. What it should be go out? And let me save this. Now, if anybody comment, only then it will be happen. Maybe the comment from the system, maybe the comment from the user. Let's put on the post. So these two comments has been added now. Let's see any email is coming or not. Not sure anything coming. Let's see the preview notification, how it will look like. Look like it's same. The body is same. Okay. But is event is triggering or not, that we have to be see. No, event is not triggering here. Maybe something wrong in the event, or it has been deactivated in the background, or maybe disabled as of now. Okay. And you can put the conditions as well, that what it should contain. If anything you want to put, any kind of a scripting you want to put, you can put it here. Okay, so in short, if I say like If my SLA tomorrow we're going to be start the topic of the SLA, maybe tomorrow the Monday. If my SLA reach to 75%, let me say here SLA warning like this. SLA warning on CI, SLA warning CI breach, param. So if SLA breach 75%, 25%, 35%, 90%, then you get an email. Now there's no one sitting in the background who is checking that is SLA has been breached by 75. It's system who do the calculations in the background and notify us. So now what is important here for you guys once again to be understand? You have to be do. Try to do some practice on the event part. Okay, I got an email. See, we got an email now. It contained nothing. Why nothing? Well, it's contained everything which we have like this. But when it's be triggering, when anyone edit the comment. Now maybe you can we can say yes. Maybe I can say no, so I don't want the comment. I want something on else. So it is up to you. Maybe let's see what have instant priority is 1. Then the email should go out. Refresh has been impacted. Instant resolved by the problem. Severity 1. So multiple type of events are there. Okay, this is the table. This is event email action. The same thing I guess it will be showing. Okay, I'm sorry, we're talking the field. Sorry, my bad. Ignore it, please. Okay. So we have to be see from where these events are triggering, and then we can put it a lot of things. So maybe on a single table, I have 5 events to be mapped. It means I have the 5 different email notifications. It doesn't mean that only one notification will work. No. In a one email notification, you can add only one event. In a one email notification, you can add only one type of content. If you want more than one, then you have to be create a multiple notification. Clear guys till this point here? Everybody clear? Any doubt, any question?
Yes, Atulji, clear. And Atulji, we can see that event name field name by looking like show dictionary.
Yes. But we are able to see only the name. Let's it's a reference or what? Let's open this part. Show event now. It is coming from the sys event email action. It is coming from this one. Okay, let me open this and go to the table. Configure, go to the table. And what is the field name? We are saying it is a event is the field name, right? Let's go here, search for the event. Event name, this one. Open it. Let's see. It is a system event name. It is saying this field is be using the reference called the system event name. Now open this. Nothing is there, right? Let me scroll down. Do we have anything? No, we don't have anything. But it is bit type of like this only. My point is that from where these values are coming, from where these events are coming. Field I know, but from where these drop down values are coming, I want to know that part. And these are coming from this particular system event part. Like from this one. Maybe it's have some other defined email, or sorry, I'm saying the event type somewhere else. Some in the hard coded part, or maybe some other logics which service not built up. Okay, so we use mainly events also we use when we have to work on the SLA priority one, someone commented something, I want some email to be go out. Okay, now one last point. If I send an email to you and you are the out of office, I receive your out of office email. Dear sender, thank you for your email. I'm on my annual leave from this date to this date. With limited or no access to the email, will reply as soon I back. Thank you, regard, and all the things. You apply for a job or for any company website from any company website. You get a standard email. Dear candidate, thank you so much for applying. We will review or we will have a look of your profile. It will require 2 to 4 days. These are the predefined emails. Either you apply for a job, either you apply for X or Y or Z, anything you apply, you get this email. ServiceNow say yes, you have a capability to do that part. Come here and search for the email. And under email, you will find these two options. Response received, response sent. If someone send an email to you, how you want to be reply back to that particular user? Like this, forward. Yes, I want to believe this. This is the forward one. Open it. Let's see how it will look like. So it will contain like this. It is coming from the mail scripting, email scripting part. Subject, represent, and the configuration. Content. It's saying when to send this email when the type is email received. The automatic reply, the standard replies are coming from that only. These are the points here only. Generally, the company who are be providing, every company is providing the services to the end users. In that case, they use this thing, these options. Response template, receive template. Maybe I can show you one more, like quick messages. You call me, I'm in the train, you're the meeting. I send a message to you. Hello, I'm in the call and I'm in the meeting. Please call me after 30 minutes. Quick message. Those are the quick messages. Quickly, just no need to be right. It is already written. You have to just click OK and send it. But these are not triggering on the event. It's you have to be trigger. You have to be C. So another question you can add Ugo in the homework today. Read about these three things: response template, received or sent, and the quick messages. There's a lot of things you can read about this. Okay, rest we done yesterday. That email accounts, property, and all things are there.
Say it again. Read.
Okay, read about the response template received, response template sent. That how this is be working, when it is be working. The main point is that when I say you guys have to be check, what have to be check? Open any of the option and see what has been mentioned, what are the content they'll be using, what are the represent list they'll be using. See, it say represent to copied.
Receive and respond, right?
Yes, received and sent.
And sent. Received and sent.
Yes. BCC, to
Okay.
whom you want to put on the BCC. So multiple things are there. If you're not doing any practice, that's fine. But if you're reading this particular, at least configurations, you're getting the more idea about the tool here. Okay. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Any question? Let me come back here. Thanks, Ugo. Yes, Akanksha, Kumar, MJ, Ugo, Omiko, Khushbu, Anna, Priya, Olu. Any doubt, any question here? Okay. No doubt, no question. Now let me come back to our practice part. Any question in the assignment you are doing at point of time? Any question you are not able to find out? Which I give in the exercise a week or 2 week back. Have you done that exercise? Any doubt you'll be finding while
Uh,
searching those questions? Go ahead, Khushbu.
yeah. So I want to know how do we trigger references?
Trigger
Like we
references.
select. When we select, let's say, I want to create a table.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it should put, let's say, admissions table, and I have added this, like, if your parents are from
Mm-hmm.
my school, who have studied in my school previously, then
Mm-hmm.
you will have the admission. So these kind of references, how do we use
These
these?
are not the references. Number one,
Okay,
references
what is
means
reference?
reference means that on your table you are calling some other table to fulfill your work. Okay,
Okay,
like I say, if I said, okay guys, there's a job opportunity I got, please send your resume or CV to X person and put my name as a reference,
so how
right?
do we pull the table? Can
Pull
you
the
show?
table. That's okay. Let me show you here. Let's come on the incident table. Okay. So like on the incident table, I have a type called the reference. Let me search. Okay, like this. Let's say about the caller. Now caller is my reference. Okay, means on the incident table, I'm calling the other table that is called the user underscore, sorry, sys user, so that I can know that who is the creator of my incident. Now let's say two things. You can apply for a job directly from the website of a company, or you can apply for a job with the reference of my name. When I say directly from the company, you're using the only the task table. नहीं भाई, I'll do only from the company website. But if I say guys put my name as a reference, you're calling me in your email that Atul Grover, my trainer, who told me to connect with you for the job opening. That is called the reference here. I'm your trainer here. Maybe tomorrow when you get a little more experience, you apply for another job with the reference of Mr. X, who is my family member, who is my uncle, who is my auntie, with reference of Mr. X in the bracket, who is my auntie, sending my CV for this particular thing. Like when we guys roam around, when you want to be, when let's say example, when Khushbu you want to be travel from India to UK, you start connecting with the people. You don't know anyone. You call to someone, hey, I got your reference from this particular person. Can you help me here? Sorry, I got like people ping me, like you guys ping me. Atul, I got your reference from other person. You are giving a service now training. It means people are using the references. They're not using their own table. They're using the other table to refer something. That is called the reference. Number one point. Second point, the admission will be given only if your parents be a student of that particular school. This is the condition matching you have to be do. Maybe we have to be write a script. We have to find out, is there any field in my system, in my table, which says yes, I can go and check it. How you say this water is hot and cold when you touch it, right? By touching, you can see. Ah, it's hot, yeah, it's very cold. It means there is some mechanism in the service now by which you can see, yes, this record exists or not. If
So,
exists,
so we have to first create a table with this information, right?
we have to create a records for this. टेबल
Record.
तो है ना, टेबल तो कहीं ना कहीं होगा, ऑलरेडी एडमिशन टेबल तो है मेरा, बट वी चेक द प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड. There is Mr. Atul Govind a student of this particular school. Yes, then we can proceed further.
Yes, yeah, record.
Okay. So those things, like when you guys specifically, I'm not about now, not about for India, but specifically for the Europe or the UK, I can say when you are booking something online, you just put your postal code. When you put your postal code, the flat number come automatically in the drop down, right, Khushbu?
Yeah.
That is called the reference. In your website, they are using a reference table called the postal code. When you put the postal code, in the postal code, they go in the flat table where they see, okay, how many flats map to this particular postal code. They display that part and then you click here.
Okay.
And the
Yes.
field get automatically filled out. Clear fundamental now?
So we this will be read only. We don't have to.
No? Why read only?
So we have to.
See,
We can select.
calculation.
I mean, the user
Calculations
can
can be
actually
read only.
select.
Calculations can be read only, but selection cannot be, right?
Yes. Yeah. This is
Until
not pre.
unless they will not put the postal code. How the system will know that where you're staying, which is the flat number you have,
Yes. Yeah.
right? You cannot search from the flat number to the postal code because in UK, number one or number two in the lakhs, there's a number of flats with the number one, number two. So they says, guys, okay, put your postal code. It is a reference. In the reference, I have a reference to the other table called the flat table. And then I'll bring that part for you. And we say, wow, that is a nice system. Just putting a postal code, my flat address is coming automatically. I was surprised by saying this thing. Because in India, we have to be write the complete address.
Yeah.
House number, care of XYZ, then it go. Here you have to just put the postal code. Things will come automatically. A standard address is there, right?
Yes.
Clear point, Khushbu here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Anyone else? Any other doubt, question, clarification required from the previous questions? Good. So let me stop the recording, guys, here. Okay. And we'll take a quick attendance now.